Today, I would like to introduce the role of aviation ground staff. Ground staff are an important part of airport operations and help ensure safety and smooth travel. They support passenger and assistant flight operation every day. In this presentation, I will talk about their responsibilities, procedures, interview preparation, and career developments. They will give you a clear understanding of what it takes to work in this field. Key responsibility of ground staff. Ground staff has several key responsibilities at the airport. First, they provide passengers flights such as check-in, boarding, and assistance with special needs. Second, they handle packaging and make sure luggage is loaded and transferred correctly. Third, they handle aircraft turnaround to make sure flights depart on time. Lastly, ground staff must always follow safety and security regulations. Each responsibility is important for smooth airport operations. Essential procedure for ground staff. Ground staff must follow daily procedures carefully. Before the flight, they attend breakfasts and check increments. During passenger process, they verify documents and tag baggage. They also help passengers with flight information and special requests. Before departure, they assist with boarding and perform final safety checks. These procedures help maintain efficiency and safety. Common interview questions. Interviews for ground staff usually include different types of questions. Some questions focus on experience and customer service skills. Others are sector-based questions that test problem-solving abilities. Interviewers may also ask about airline knowledge and safety awareness. Preparing for these questions can help you feel more confident. Clear answers show your professionalism and responsibility. Simple interview answers. When answering interview questions, being clear and honest is important. You should explain why you are interested in working as ground staff, showing examples of teamwork and risk-taking is helpful. For difficult situations, showing empathy and communication is key. Strong answers focus on safety, service, and teamwork. This helps interviewers understand your abilities. Essential skills for ground staff success. Several skills are essential for ground staff success. Good communication helps share information clearly. Teamwork is needed to work smoothly with different departments. Problem-solving skills help handle unexpected situations. Attention to detail is important for safety and accuracy. These skills help ground staff perform their duty well. Career growth and advancements. A ground staff career offers many opportunities for growth. Most people start in entry-level positions such as check-in agents. With experience, they can move into specialized or supervisory roles. Strong performers may advance to management positions. Continuing learning supports long-term career development. The aviation industry offers stable and rewarding career paths. Preparing for your grandstand career. Preparing for a grandstand career requires plan and effort. Most positions require a high school diploma. Certifications can help improve job opportunities. Physical fitness is important for daily tasks. English and basic computer skills are very useful. A positive attitude and willingness to learn are the key to success.